wanted to let everybody know it was raining. Hi, Judy. It's raining. It's raining a lot, actually. Currently on Ora Labor, south of DMAC. Better bring your umbrellas and your parkas and your rain boots. Wow. I'm only going 30. Is pouring. Let's see. Oh, green arrow. Actually, a person like pulled over there. It's raining so hard. What is this guy doing? You don't know. Oh, I think we're on the edge of the storm now. See how this creek's doing. Not too bad. So much for all-wheel drive. Much lighter rain now. Grandma! I see my grandma. She's watching. Oh, it's really dying down now. Must just have been an ankeny. And my wipers are squeaking again. Good morning, Grandma. I haven't seen you for a while. Feels like it's been a few weeks. All right, storm's over, except probably not in Ankeny. I'm in Saylorville now. Curtis! Wait, can I bring you in? Oh yeah, let's add you in. Can I add you in? Are you awake? That would be fun. You're probably still in bed, so you won't accept my invitation. It says bring them on camera. I hit it. Oh, that's Brian. Oh, it didn't say Brian. I don't know what it said. That was weird. Oh, it said bring. Bring Curtis. I thought it's Brian Curtis. It's early. Yep, it won't work. Bring Curtis on camera. They'll receive an invite. Oh, I see. Okay. Sorry, Curtis. I don't mean to spam you. I was trying to read what it said. And my brain thought it said Brian Curtis, but that's my cousin. I was confused. Okay, well, the storm's over. It rained here, though. Woo! Soon it'll be snow, people. Get excited. Then I'll be doing lots of weather updates just for you. Just so you know what to wear today and not ride your motorcycle. That's what I didn't do. Have a good day yourself, Margot. Thank you.